This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, Nissan Intelligent Key Entry and Ignition Systems, power-adjustable driver pedals, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an energy-absorbing steering column, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. To give you the most confidence in your vehicle purchase, this certified pre-owned Nissan has benefits including an 84-month, 100,000-mile limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and a comprehensive quality assurance inspection. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.